Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sun College Lectures. I am Brahmavas Mogeri, lecturer in physics at Begum Nusrat Bhutto Government Girls Degree College, Larkana. Begum Nusrat Bhutto Government Girls Degree College, Larkana is a newly established college. It has been working from last 2 years. The principal of the college is Professor Madam Sanyanas Kabro. Dear viewers, today I am going to start chapter number 8 of first year physics, and that is wave, motion, and sound. Chapter number 8, and that is wave, motion, and sound. First of all, I will explain the term wave and its examples in our daily life. Then their types or parts of the wave. A wave is a mechanism by which energy is transferred from one place to another place. A wave is a mechanism by which energy is transferred from one place to another place. The examples of wave are: light reaches from sun to our earth in the form of wave. The sound which we hear is in the form of wave. There are two types of wave. One is mechanical wave and another is electromagnetic wave. There are two types of wave. Mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave. What is mechanical wave? A wave which requires material medium for its propagation or its traveling is known as a mechanical wave. A wave which requires medium for its propagation or traveling is called a mechanical wave. The example of mechanical wave are: let's suppose we have a pond of water. If we throw a pebble in the pond, then circular like ripples will be generated and they will move in forward direction. This is the example of mechanical wave, and water is a medium. Medium means material, solid, liquid, or gas. So, example of mechanical wave are water waves. Number 2, suppose we have a long rope that is fixed at one point, one rigid support, and other point is a free. If we give up and down jerk to the rope, then hump-like disturbance will be produced and it will move in forward direction. So waves generated in the rope is also mechanical wave. So waves in a rope are also mechanical. And other type of mechanical wave is sound waves. These are also mechanical waves. Sound wave. Next type is electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave is a wave which does not require any medium for its propagation or for its traveling. Light wave is an electromagnetic wave because it does not require any medium. If there is medium, light travels. If there is no any medium, light will also travel with a speed equal to 3 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. So next one is electromagnetic wave. The wave which does not require any medium for its propagation is called an electromagnetic wave. The example of electromagnetic wave is a light wave. Its example is light wave, whether that will be a microwave, ultraviolet, infrared, gamma rays, X-rays. These do not require any medium. So light waves are electromagnetic in nature. Another definition of wave is it is a traveling disturbance. As we have discussed, when we throw a pebble, then disturbance is created in the water and that disturbance travels in the forward direction, or whether if we give up and down jerk to the rope, then disturbance created and that travels in the forward direction. So it is also defined as a wave is a traveling disturbance. In the light of disturbance, there are also two types of waves. These are transverse wave and longitudinal wave. Transverse wave and number two, that is longitudinal wave. Transverse wave are those waves in which disturbance of the particle propagate perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Whereas longitudinal waves are those waves in which disturbance of the particle travel or move parallel to the direction of wave motion. These will be discussed in incoming lectures. Stop. Dear viewers and students, our next topic is vibratory or oscillatory motion. In previous classes, we have studied about linear motion and circular motion, and here we are going to explain vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is such kind of motion in which body moves to and fro or back and forth about a mean position is called vibratory motion. Such type of motion in which a body moves to and fro or back and forth about a mean position is called vibratory or oscillatory motion. A vibratory or oscillatory motion is said to be periodic if it repeats itself in equal interval of time. There are many examples of vibratory motion, such as a child in the swing, the guitar string, or vibration of atom or molecules in a solid. Examples are a child on a swing. Number 2, a guitar string. A clock pendulum, and the vibration of atoms or molecules in a solid. Dear students, this is the end of today's lecture. Subscribe our YouTube channel, Sen College Lectures, and stay tuned with our channel to press its notification bell. Like our videos and share it. And stay at home, stay safe, take care, and along.